Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 10 of programming in HTML5, HTML elements. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on Finder, make sure we are in Documents. We see the folder that's called HTML5, double click this, and then right click index.html, open with, text edit, close out to Finder, go to text edit, increase the size of this, and now Command plus to also increase the font size, and now we're ready to program and code the complex HTML elements. Before doing that, take the code from the previous video, Command X, open up the Word document which is on the right hand side of your screen, and now we are ready to Command V, paste to this document, Command S to save the Word document, quit the Word document, and now a HTML element usually consists of a start tag and the end tag. Starts here, ends here, and then the content is inserted in between the tags. So we have the tag name and then the content goes inside, and then we close that off. So we can have a heading, a paragraph, or a break. We can also have nested HTML elements. All the HTML documents that you have consist of nested HTML elements. So now within the body we can insert H1, my first heading, and then the ending tag. On the next line we can have the paragraph tag, my first paragraph, another end tag, Command S to save. So what you need to know is the HTML element on top defines the whole document. A start tag and the end tag. Inside the HTML tags we have the body tag. Inside that we have the main tags. And we know H1 defines a heading, P defines a paragraph. So if we save this, go all the way to Finder, Documents, HTML5, right click index.html with Safari. This is what we should see on screen. My first heading, my first paragraph. If we look at the text edit file and the web browser side to side for one moment, and now if we insert a break tag and remove the heading, this is a paragraph. So break B, paragraph with a line break, Command S, refresh the page, BR, refresh. This is, and then moves on to the next line, paragraph with a line break. And from this tutorial, what you have learned today is that a HTML element usually consists of a start tag, an end tag, and within these tags, the content is then inserted in between, as you saw with the heading and the paragraph. And then we also realized that you can have nested elements. The body element defines the document body, has a start tag of body and an end tag of body. Inside the body element is two other HTML tags, heading and paragraph, and then we removed the heading, inserted a paragraph only, inserted a break, saved the page, opened up a web browser with the code, and then saw this is break paragraph with a line break. And we also need to remember, do not forget the end tag. We can also have empty HTML elements, and HTML is not case sensitive. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.